little trains are already going up.
Yesterday, people were supposed to be home all day. They showed up today just as she was getting ready to run somewhere.
This time tomorrow, this place is going to be hopping. It's amazing how fast these guys put this up and down. Our LD Hobbies is here. I bet if you like G-Gauge, you probably bought stuff from him. I know I have. The show just keeps getting better and better every year. If you are within driving distance of Youngstown, Ohio, you really need to come check this out. It's going to be a good time. There are many clubs coming from many different states to do layouts this year. I think 5 or 6. As far away as Oklahoma, from what I understand. This is Susquehanna. They're from Pennsylvania. And I did not know how to pronounce that before I moved to Ohio. I'm not ashamed to say. We'll snake through here and try to stay out of everyone's way. There's Cuyahoga Valley. They do beautiful train rides, and they show up at a lot of train shows. That is great. Old passenger cars. There's that guy. Hey, Jonathan, how you doing? Oh, look at this. That's 7.5 gauge. People ride on these. This one's undecorated, but these are very, very cool. They're going to have some set up in the parking lot, from what I'm told, weather permitting. And I don't even want to think about what it takes to get, see, these will have a bunch of cars hooked up to them and stuff. I don't even want to think about the logistics of transporting that out here, but this is an important show. People bring their best stuff. All right, it's the day before the show. It's a little too late to enter the modeling contest, but that looks really cool. We got a little bottle in there. And I gotta think this is a contender for the win, even though I haven't seen anyone else's models. This is very cool.